Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Polar H10 or any other chest belt or wristband heart rate monitor to our web-based heart rate tool. No smartphone needed. If you want to stream or record your real-time heart rate in your videos, live streams or fitness sessions, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. This is what the site looks like. Link is in the description. You can see it's simple. Just click to pair your device and start tracking immediately. Now let's hop into the setup. Just as a reminder, this only works in browsers like Chrome or Edge at the moment. On the main page, you'll see a Hyperate ID field. You can generate a new ID at any time. This helps keep your connection secure and unique. Make sure your computer's Bluetooth is on. Put on your Polar H10 chest strap so it's active. Then click the pairing button or connect to heart rate monitor. A pop-up will appear where you can select your device. Choose your Polar H10 from the list and click Pair. Accept any prompts from your browser, asking to grant the site permission to use Bluetooth. Once you do that, Hyperate should connect to the chest belt. Now you'll see your heart rate in BPM and the battery level of your belt. This means you're successfully connected. Now that you're connected, let's talk about how to show this real-time heart rate in a live stream or recorded video. We provide a handy link you can plug directly into OBS or your streaming software. Click Copy URL for OBS. This link shows a simple widget of your heart rate. Open OBS, click the plus icon in your Sources panel, and select Browser. Name it Heart Rate, or anything you like. Paste the URL into the URL field, set the width and height you prefer, and click OK. You should now see your heart rate overlay in OBS. Feel free to resize or move it around anywhere on your canvas. And that's it. You're now set up to stream or record your real-time heart rate using Hyperate and your Polar H10. Whether you're doing a gaming stream, a fitness vlog, or a scary horror game playthrough where your heart rate spikes, your audience can see every beat along the way. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay healthy.